Going on YouTube? It's Big Les. Sorry about that. It's Big Les back with another video. Make sure if you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe, comment. The channel been steadily growing, so I appreciate everybody for that. And since the channel's steadily growing, I'm gonna keep bringing content to the channel. So got some good news today. So far, some good news. I got a lot of things to do. Couldn't finish get things done I need to get done yesterday, but I'm gonna flip the camera around and show one of the exciting things that I've heard, and then I'm gonna get on to the video about the other things that's going on in my world in a minute. And here it goes. Yep, you are looking at my Camaro. It is back, new rim. I replaced both the tires the same day I picked it up. Let me get a cold start for you, man. It is running monstrous. That's loud. Very loud. But the Camaro is back. Everything seems to be working. I got a few things I got to take care of today, so I'm going to take y'all on this journey with me. So stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, gonna give y'all a little Camaro talk, as I'm gonna start calling it. Turn the radio off. I'm like I said before, I got some pretty good news for me, exciting news. One of them is I got my freaking car back. Second one is it's running like a champ. Now, I did get some new tires put on here, and I drove it. First day I got it back, of course. I get up to, let me adjust the camera a little bit. Only part that's kind of sucks is I get up to about 120, even though I shouldn't be driving that fast, but it was in Mexico. I got up to 120 on the freeway, and I felt a little shake. So it wasn't coming from our front. My steering wheel wasn't shaking, and I replaced the rim on the rear. So my guess, put my glasses on, I bought these new Carrera prescriptions. They nice, I love them. So my guess is that the tires are not perfectly balanced in the rear. When I was hitting the back, it did have some shake to it, like the car slid to the side a little bit. I had to swerve basically to get control of the car before I came to a stop. So first stop is the tire shop, so I can go ahead and get them to balance the tires. I mean, I'm not going to record a video of that. They just balancing tires, right? Everybody have it done. And then I'm going to get to my next run, which is going to see what's up with my truck. My truck has been, the paint shop sent me pictures of it painted November the 2nd. Today is November, what is today? I think today is November the 19th. So that's 17 days ago, almost 3 weeks, right? They haven't called me and said my truck was done. So I'm pretty sure it's not done, but it has been painted. Now I did go up there last week, I think, when I got back from Hawaii, to check on it to see if they made any, got any fire. That was the week after they sent me the pictures, and of course, still wasn't done. Very disappointed, but it was painted, but they didn't finish all the trim painting. The letterings wasn't on the door, the hood, so they still had to pretty much put the car back together. It's been there for 3 months now. December will be 4 months, so it's more closer to 4 months than 3 months. So what I'm going to do is go up there to see what's going on with that. I will be recording when I get up there, so y'all can get some actual footage of it. If they got it outside, you can see how the paint color. I would only record if it's outside, so that way you can see how the paint, see that paint flip in sunlight. And it's flipping pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I like the color that I chose. And the other good news is my rims are in. So I went up when I bought my tires from Omar's. They said my rim order is in. My 28 by 9 Forgiatos. So that's great news. I still owe them a pretty big bag on that, but they are in. So the goal is to get my truck, see what's going on with my truck. If it's out in the sunlight, I can get some footage of it, I will, and add it to this video. And once they say my truck is ready, I'm jumping in my truck and I'm driving it straight to Omar's to get my rims put on. And that's gonna be a dope video right there. So you don't want to miss that video. So make sure you stay tuned to see the upcoming content that I do have with my truck. It's an amazing truck, one of a kind, outrageous paint, flipping chameleon paint, 28-inch Forgiatos, brand new tires. I'm really excited and looking forward to that build to see how it come along. And then from that build, I can go ahead and start playing around with my car a little bit more. So I'm out of the rental. I forgot before I returned the rental, I had the rental for about 3 weeks. Well, longer than I'd had the rental for almost a month actually. I think I picked it up on October the 20th, and I just returned it when I picked this up, which was like the 18th of November. So I had the truck, the rental that they gave me for almost a month. I didn't get a video of it. I do regret. All right, what's going on, YouTube? You see I got the shades off. I went to look at my truck and I wanted to see it with the shades off. I saw it, so I'm gonna put my shades back on because it is sunny out here. But I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around to show you the progress on it. Like I said, it is painted. They got the extra pieces painted. He said he had to do some touch-up painting. And from there, it got to be put back together. It's gonna be kind of hard to see because it is, it's still dirty, you know, from a wet sand and shit like that. But you will get a pretty good clear view of how it looks. So let me turn the camera out so you can check it out. Check it out. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, see that? They got a little bit out in the sunlight. You can see the engine still got to get, well, the hood got to get put back together. But I got all of this painted. All inside the door jambs are painted. This piece painted. They still got to do some touch-up painting to this part. And these pieces all gonna get retouched up, painted. So the looks of it, they had to re-hit that bumper. Not sure how good the camera is seeing it, but the bumper been retouched up. Still got to put the letters back on the back. Those gonna be matte black. But they're gonna be black. But this side got all the sun, so you can definitely see it flipping on the sunlight. To get a better picture, there's just another small sneak peek. Like I say, it's looking a little rough right now, but it's definitely gonna look a lot better when it's finished and it's clean and it's shining, so you can see the wetness on it. I don't know if you can see it now, but I got all the door jambs painted. Complete paint job. They got this door kind of long. See this door jamb painted. Need a good cleaning. I'm gonna show you this grill. This where this go? This must. Oh, that's for the hood. So I didn't even get my tailgate on. This I can actually show you in the sunlight. Look how I look like that. You see all of them different color flips. Yeah, man, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice. Put this back. So progress being made. It's not done yet. Here's the little vent pieces. I have them painted also. As you can see them slipping. So that's gonna be nice. Even though they've been throwing all the stuff in it, I'm pretty sure they're gonna clean my inside, but you can see the inside is still intact. Still nice plush, hard leather in here. Like they still gotta do some stuff to the back there. As far as installation, look like they at least made it to putting all the door panels on, which is good. See it all here, all them door jambs painted. Still got my stickers on. All of that's painted. So, guess it'll be another week, maybe. Even my rings around the headlights, I got these painted too. You can see them in that light. Look at all them color slips with the flakes in it. So it's coming along. They just got to put some more stuff back together. A little bit more painting. I left my garage door opener in here. Make sure I take that with me. Thought I left my cell phone charger in here too. Alright, so this is where we at. I'll be back next week to check it out. But like I said, as you can see, it's coming together slowly. Extremely slowly, way slower than I would like. But it's getting there.